Choosing between an IDE and a code editor can make or break your coding workflow. Today we'll compare Visual Studio, a full-fledged IDE, and Visual Studio Code, a lightweight code editor, to help you decide which is best for your projects. Let's dive in. First of all, Visual Studio by Microsoft. This is a robust integrated development environment, or IDE, designed for complex projects. It's packed with features like IntelliSense or code completion, built-in compilers, advanced debugging, and project templates for Net, C++, and more. It's ideal for large-scale applications like enterprise software or mobile apps, but it's Windows only, resource-heavy, and has a steep learning curve for beginners. On the other side, we have Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. It's a lightweight, cross-platform code editor. It's highly customizable with over 30,000 extensions, supports multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java, and offers Git integration and basic debugging. It's fast, works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, but requires manual configuration for advanced features, which can be tricky for newbies. So, how do they stack up? Visual Studio shines for heavy-duty projects in C#, .NET, or C++, with everything you need out of the box. VS Code is better for web development, mixed language projects, or if you want a lightweight customizable tool. Visual Studio is overkill for small scripts, while VS Code might need extra setup for complex workflows. Choose based on your project's size and language needs. That's the showdown, guys. Visual Studio for enterprise-grade projects and VS Code for flexibility and speed. Check out our comparison chart below and let us know your favorite in the comments. Happy coding!